While you're editing titles, what you can do is you can use precise transform properties to place out the contents of the title as you like. So to do that, over here you can see that I have a text, and you can go around and align it right here and place it by eye. But what you can also do is you can go around over here under the text menu, and then over here you can see that transform is an option. So you can go around and click on position right here, and you can see that this is the default position over here. But let's say I want to make it, let's say for example, 50 pixels from the top right here and 50 pixels from the left. So once I actually do this and press OK, then what happens is that it places out the content accordingly, as you can see right here. Let me just go around over here onto transform and change around the position right here. So let's just make it, let's say for example, 300 pixels right here. That is 300 X position and 300 Y position, and this is how it works, as you can see. Let me just go around, drag this out right here. So that is how you can go around and utilize the transform properties as well. You can go around onto scale, and you can choose uniform scale to, let's say for example, 200% right here. Press OK, and that is what you have right here. You can also go around over here and use a non-uniform scale, and let's say I want a vertical scale of 150. So I can just type that in and press OK, and it is stretched out. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, transform right here, then you can work around with rotation as well and change around the rotation to, let's say for example, 25 degrees and press OK, and this is how it actually can be rotated. If I were to go around over here onto transform right here, you can change around the opacity as well and make it, let's say for example, 30 right here and press OK, and the opacity changes as well. And that is how you can work around with title transform properties inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.